Hi friends, welcome to the Adda 24/7. We are in the Sankalpa series for ABM and today we'll be solving some numericals and some objective questions on chapter 1 and 3. Very important chapter. Okay. So follow this series completely. In fact, we have covered many chapters up to chapter 6 and 7 till yesterday. This is a revision we are going on. Okay. Revision means in the sense we have to revise certain parts. So follow this series completely. Very important numericals are being taken. Very important objective questions are being taken. Okay. The type of cumulative frequency. Hold on. Yeah. The type of cumulative frequency where the frequencies are added starting from the highest class to the lowest class is called as. Now understand one thing. Whenever I am having frequencies from highest to lowest, okay, highest to lowest, then there are two types basically. Always remember, lowest to highest is called as what? Low to high, and that is called as what? Less than or greater than. Here the options are only two: relative, percentage, frequency, less than, cumulative, greater than. So these two are out. So it is less than cumulative or greater than cumulative. So whenever it is low to high, remember it is less than. LT, I'll write it. Huh? How to remember? If it is low I earlier, then L earlier. Okay. And if it is highest from high to low, then it is known as greater than, GT. Okay. GT, you can write it this way. So high to low, whenever the high number is first and then I have the low number, then I am having this called as greater than cumulative frequency. So the question is, the type of cumulative frequency is where the frequencies are added starting from the highest class to the lowest class. It is known as GT, greater than. Will you remember it now? Suppose if I tell you low, less than means what? Low, starting from low. Greater than, starting from higher. Okay. The following is the table gives less than type frequency distribution of the income per day. So this is the income per day given. Okay. You have to find what? You have to find the which income is the mode. You have to find the mode. So firstly understand what is the mode. Mode means what? Mode means the one which has highest. Okay, let me get it from you first. Which has highest. Mode means any number which is having highest frequency. Correct. Any number which is having highest frequency is known as a mode. Okay. So highest frequency is mode. Got it? Clear? Now let's say this. Income less than, it is given less than frequency. So starting from the highest number. See here, what did we say? Less than type means what? Oh, it is actually reverse. It should be gives the greater than. It should be greater than over here. Why? Because it is starting from higher to lower. What are we having? Firstly, we are having 1500, then we are having 1250 and so on. So from higher to lower we are having, so it will be greater than. Okay. Now we have to find a mode. So mode means what? Which is having the highest number of frequency. So who's having the highest number of frequency over here? Everyone. It is 100 obviously, right? So 1500 is the modal class over here. 1500. So which income is the mode? The income mode is 1500. This is the mode. Okay. Remember, mean, mode, median. Very important terms in your statistics. Okay. We'll solve them one by one today. Right now we are solving mode only. Okay. Everyone subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel you will be getting the latest updates on JIB and CAIIB from IIBF, Indian Institute of Banking and Finance. They give various notifications, means regarding the time, regarding the change in dates, regarding change in some changes in are there. So immediately they are updated on Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. So that's why subscribe to it, number one. So, and second point which you get is very important here. One is updates. And second is free YT series. Free YT series means the ones which you are watching right now. You are getting the similar YT series on all the subjects. Okay. So that's why subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. Okay. The data of some of the workers' salary are given as 2300, 2400, 2500, blah, 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 blah. You can read this. Okay. So all the numbers are given. If the desired number of class intervals is 10, now look at this. The desired number of class intervals is 10 over here. So in that case, the class width is what? Now, firstly, you need to understand what do you mean by class width. What is the class width? You need to understand that first. Okay. See here, whenever I write it like this, let's say 100 to 200, 200 to 300, right? 300 to 400. Okay. Now, and so on and so forth. Now, what do I mean by this? What is the difference between this? This is 100. The difference between the other one, 100. Difference between the third one, 100. So if you see, the difference between all the classes will be 100 only. And this number is known as class width. Class width. This is known as class width. Always remember this. Okay. Class width means the difference between the upper level of that class versus minus the lower level, maxima minus minima. Okay. Upper band minus lower band. You can call it anything. So how to find this? Now your question over here is how to find this number 100 over here. It may be 100, it may be anything. It's 100 is luckily we have got it. So how to find this? To find this, remember, we have to solve it this way. First, you have to find out the range. What is the range? What do you mean by range over here? Range means highest number minus the lowest number. Which is the highest number over here? Highest number. Check everyone. Which is the highest number? Yes. Highest number is 3000. Correct. So the highest number is 3000. Minus the lowest number. What is the lowest number over here? 2000, I think so. Yeah, 2000. So lowest number 2000. So range equals to highest number minus lowest number. So it becomes 1000. So now if this is 1000, then what is the class width? So class width equals to range divided by number of intervals. Number of intervals means what are the number of intervals required? 10. Right? So range upon 10. So it is what? 1000 upon 10. So it becomes 100. 1000 upon 10. So it becomes 100. So this is my class width. Okay. This is my class width. What does it mean? What does it mean that I am having the class width of 100? It means what? See this. What will I do? I'll start from 2000, lowest number. So I'll start from 2000 and start marking the classes. It will be 2000 to 2100. Then 2100 to 2200. And so on. Up to last one will be what? 2900. We can't go beyond the highest number to 3000. Okay. So how many will we be having? 10. So that is what is sent over here. I mentioned over here, class intervals is 10. So this is a 10 number, right? So remember, class width always means the constant number, the difference between the upper number versus the lower number, or maximum minus minimum of that class. Okay. The class interval where the upper and the lower limits are also in the class interval are called as, now this is typical question. Just now we saw this. See this. Where the upper and the lower are in the class means 2000 to 2100, 2100 to 2200. Now what do you mean by this? See this. It is like this. There are two ways of writing a class. Okay. First is, look at this. One is inclusive type. Inclusive. See here, I am directly giving the answer over here. Second one is exclusive. Okay. Now what is inclusive? Inclusive means if I write it like this, 5 to 9, 10 to 14, both are included over here. 5 is also included, means if I get some number 9, I'll be including it in this class. If I get the number 14, I'll be including in this class. If I get the number 10, I'll be including in this class. Okay, that is known as inclusive. Then what is exclusive? Exclusive means you just convert this 5 over here, change 0.5 on this side, 4.5 on the left side, and on the right side also 9.5. Take 0.5 on both the sides. Similarly over here, 9.5 to 14.5. Okay, and so on and so forth. You can go on. Okay, so here what does it mean? This 9.5 is not included in this first class. Suppose if I get the number 9.5, then I won't include it in this top class. I'll be including it in this lower class. It's always from the starting. So this is known as exclusive. Exclusive means what? Wherever this first number and the last number or either of these. Here it's not compulsory that every time both have to be removed or ignored. Okay, so 4.5 either first or second or both. If they are ignored, it's called as exclusive. So the question over here is the class interval where the upper and the lower limits are also in the class interval. Also means this is the one we want. So it is called as exclusive. Inclusive, obviously I have given the answer now. It is inclusive, isn't it? Okay. Everyone download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting the premium study material plus live classes, ebooks, tests, whatever we require for clearing JIB and CIB, we get it over here. So that's why download it right now and start studying. Okay. The following table gives the distribution of 100 families according to the expenditures. So distribution of 100 families as per the expenditure. Okay. Find the model class. Model. Now we want the model class. Okay. So 100 families. How do you know whether there are 100 families or not? Just add this. If you go on adding this, you will get this answer as 100. Okay. So this is always known as the frequency. Whenever this is known as frequency. Okay. So this frequency gives you in this class how many families are there. With how many times this with this class is getting repeated. That is basically the frequency. So find the model class. What is the model class? Model means what? Just now we saw that model was highest number. Highest number, which is the highest number? 27. So my model class becomes 20 to 30. This is my model class. Okay. There are also numericals to find this mode. This 27 can also be found out. Model class. That's why I'm saying join the paid class immediately. September 4th. The batch has just started. Okay. Join this class immediately. So this is known as a model class. Okay. Suppose if I tell you to find the median or mean of this. Okay. How will you find it out? That we'll discuss later, because there you have to find out the class mark, central number. Okay. And then find out. Okay. Next one. The runs scored by a batsman in 5 ODIs are 31, 97, 112, 63 and 12. The mean, median and mode is. So what do we want? We want the mean, median and mode of these 5 numbers. How do you find this? Mean, median and mode. Okay, let's find out one by one. Okay. Mean. Mean means what? Mean is equal to the average. Average is the simplest part. Add all these numbers. 31 plus 97 plus 112 plus 63 plus 12. The whole upon. What is that? Upon 5. Okay. So what is the answer now? Add all these numbers. Everyone give me the answer now. Add all these numbers and let's get the answer. Yeah. Let me see. Let's do it, everyone. Yeah. Let me minimize this. So it is 31 plus 97 plus 112 plus 63 plus 12. Okay, what is the answer of the total? It is 315. So 315 upon 5. So what is the answer? 5 6 and 3 So my mean becomes 63 over here. Okay. What is my median? Median always means, remember, suppose if I arrange these numbers in serial order. Serial means either it can be ascending, either it can be descending. So which is the lowest number? We'll arrange it ascending. 12. Then after that, which is the next highest number? 31. 31. After that, 31 you have then 63, right? After that, 97. After that, 112. So you arrange them in serial order, and once you arrange them in the serial order, the central number is the median. This number is the median. So here I am getting the median as 63. Okay. So this is my median. Remember this. Now if you'll have a doubt in this case. Suppose if there are 5 numbers, then it is simple. Suppose if there are 4 numbers, then suppose if this would have been the case. 12. Now let me make it simple. Okay. 13, 14 and 15. Okay. These were the 4 numbers. Now if the numbers are even, then what? This central number, there is no central number. So in that case, what do? We find the average of the central numbers over here. Whichever are the 2 central numbers, we'll find the average of them. Okay. So here it is 13 plus 14 upon 2. So it becomes 13.5. Okay. When the numbers are even, we get this as even. Okay. So we get the median as the center of the mean of the central numbers. Okay. Now mode. Mode means what? The number which occurs maximum number of times. So which number occurs maximum number of times? No one. All are occurring one time. All are one time. Okay. So if they are one time, so everyone will be the mode. So all are modes. Are modes. Okay. So every number is a mode in this case. If you get some numbers like this, 2, 3, 2, then 4. Now if I ask you the mode, then the mode will be over here 2, because maximum number of times is who? It is 2. So that's why the mode over here will be 2. Remember. Okay. Here, this type of mean, mode, median, you get it for 1 mark in exam. Okay. Now let me give you one more example over here. Okay. Now suppose if I ask you to find out the mean. Okay, mean. Let's find out only mean now of the numbers, like suppose if the number and the frequency. Frequency. Okay. Now if the number is, let's say 2, then frequency is 10. The number is 3, then the frequency is, let's say 12. Okay. Let's keep only 2 numbers. Now I'll ask you the mean of these numbers. What will be the mean of this? Number 2 is occurring 10 times. Number 3 is occurring 12 times. So how will you find out the mean? In that case, yeah. So class mark is very important. So what will we do? We'll multiply this 10 into 2. Okay. 10 into 2 plus 12 into 3. 12 into 3. Right. The whole upon the numbers. Okay. So the whole upon the numbers. What are the numbers? Okay. It is this 2 plus 3. Right. So that way we'll find it out. This if you are having the frequency as such. Okay. These are called as grouped numbers. Grouped. Okay. So this is how upon, see this 10 into 2 plus 12 into 3. You have done this. Upon next is what? 2 plus 3 number. What is the number? Means what is the total of this? You'll add this. Okay. So 5. So that will be the mean of this, whatever that it comes. Okay. So similarly, you can find out the mode also. But remember, in exam, you get these types of questions. Mean, mode, median for these single numbers. Okay. So that's why follow this completely and study this till the end. I would suggest you to join the batch. See this September 4th, the batch has started. Sankalpa batch. Okay. ABM, BFM, ABFM, BRBL. All the 4 subjects are covered. Numericals, objective questions, case studies. All these things are covered. Right now you are getting discounts. 80% off you are getting. Check the CAIIB Mahapack. See this CAIIB Mahapack also, it gives you multiple batches. Number one. Number two, you get the this test series, ebooks, okay, marathons, mini and maha marathons, you get it over there. So what all do you need? We need only classes, books and test series, right? So everything you are getting, and that also at what? Right now you are getting 80% off, 80%, 80. Let me write it over here, okay, 80% off. Okay, so how to get this 80% off? Let me show you. Let's go to Adda 24/7. I would always suggest you to go through the app. In the app, you are getting 1% extra. Always remember using the coin systems. So go to Adda 24/7. Let me take you to Adda 24/7. So go to Adda 24/7 and check this. Say this. Click on CAIIB and CAIIB. See, now you are on Adda 24/7. Click on CAIIB and CAIIB over here. See the CAIIB and CAIIB. Click on CAIIB November. Okay, click. Now you will get the Sankalp batch. Click on this Sankalp batch. Okay, Sankalp batch. Click on the Sankalp batch. You will see the details here. 300 hours of online live classes, 81 test series, 65 ebooks. Now if you click on any of these, let's click on this test series. So what do you get? If you click on the test series, you'll get all the test series. Look at this. CAIIB ABFM topic wise test, CAIIB BRBL again tests. Okay, then you get it for all. Now click on these again. Here you'll get the chapter wise tests. So isn't it beautiful? You are getting everything over here. Similarly for this, these are test series. Similarly ebooks. Check the ebooks. This is BRBL, right? Banking regulation. Second one is this BFM. Then you are having ABM, and then you are having ABFM also. Now if you click on any of these, again check this. Chapter wise books you are having. Okay, so chapter wise, each chapter it is covered over here. Okay, so ebooks are there. Similarly, online live classes also. You are having various batches. You get it through. You can get it directly over here. Okay. So importantly, remember the fees part. See, the discount offer is going on Guru 77. So you're getting 77% off. Click on buy now. Look at the fees part. See this 23,999 reduces to 5,519. Huge discount is going on. Okay. Click on continue. Then fill in the details. Click on continue. Make the payment. Done. It's that easy. You can buy the Mahapack also. In Mahapack, you are getting multiple batches per subject. Okay. Multiple batches means, look at this. I'll show you. So this CAIIB Mahapack. Click on this. Then click on CAIIB Mahapack. See here, right now double validity is going on. So multiple batches means what? See this. Click on this online live classes. You'll see various batches on various subjects. Same subject, you are having many batches in this. So this gives you added advantage. If you attend these, you'll get that many times revision. Similarly, test series you are getting. Test series. Again the same thing. Click on this, you'll get various topic wise. Okay. So this is very important. Join this batch ASAP. Similarly videos, similarly ebooks. Okay. I'll be back tomorrow with another series. Till then, do join the batch and keep studying importantly because exams are near. Okay.